Hi, I'm Corey from Voyager, and in this video I am taking a deep dive into a company called Louisiana Pacific, or what most homeowners know as the company that produces LP SmartSide siding. Let's get started. Alright, and let's start with the big question. The question we normally start with in our videos like this is, who is LP siding for? LP siding is for homeowners who are looking for a siding that has more of that natural wood look, but that it's far more durable and far more superior and holds up to the elements a lot better than traditional wood siding. LP siding is technically still a wood product, but it is an engineered wood that is chemically infused in such a way that is superior to holding up to the elements compared to that traditional wood. So yes, it is technically still a wood product and should be handled as such, and homeowners should be aware of where their home is located in relation to heavily wooded areas, or if it's an area of the country that receives heavy rainfall year-round, you should definitely be cautious of having LP installed on your home if your home is located in one of those areas. But being conscious of that and installing the LP SmartSide siding in the correct environment can add value to a home, fantastic curb appeal, and long-lasting durability. So just some quick history on the LP SmartSide siding. LP was first founded in 1973 as an oriented strand board manufacturer, or OSB, and is still the largest manufacturer of OSB today. In 1997, LP launched their LP SmartSide division, which served as their entry into the home exterior siding market. Some of the common styles here up on the screen is, first we've got the lap siding. That is most common. You see in vinyl and other products as well, and it emulates the look of traditional lapboard siding with that cedar texture. Over to the right, you've got the shakes style, which is a staggered, or you can do a straight edge design, which has that cedar texture finish as well, and adds some great depth and personality to a home. And the last style you see over on the right there is board and batten, which are flat boards on the home with 2-inch vertical strips, just vertical pieces that are installed at variable widths apart that give the homeowner whichever look they're trying to achieve. You can have them 8 inches apart, 12 inches, 16, 24. You can really get fun with the design of board and batten. The minimum thickness for each board of the LP siding is between 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch. It's actually 0.375 inches thick, and you've got different reveals for the different styles as well. Like in my other video with the vinyl siding product, there are different reveals to the siding you can get depending on what look you're going for. For example, the lap siding reveal options are anywhere from 6 to 7 to 8 inches. You can even do a reveal of 12 inches apart with the LP siding as well. So it's just that width of the board that it runs up the side of your home to give you whatever look you're trying to achieve. Now with this product, yes, it is an engineered board. It is very strong and sturdy and durable. So with that, getting into pricing here, it is a little bit more expensive than some other materials on the market. The price of LP on average runs about 20% more than most builder grade vinyl siding. So yes, it is a little bit more expensive than that builder grade vinyl. A little bit less expensive than James Hardie, the fiber cement, but it kind of falls in between. It's still more in line with more of the James Hardie fiber cement product. So it really is more of a premium product that homeowners are getting installed onto their home when they choose LP SmartSide. So now let's roll right into some of the pros with LP SmartSide siding. Like we had said earlier, it is an engineered wood. It's pre-sealed and chemically infused on the front and on the back of each board. The front of the boards are primed, and the interiors and backing of the boards are treated with borate, which repels insects, also resins that adheres everything together, and a wax coating to repel water. So the wax coating just goes right on the outside of the product on all sides, and it really repels the water nicely. So another one of the pros, yes, it is a fact that each board is really lightweight, but it's also very durable, very strong, one of the most durable products you can get out on the market today. Also, LP siding is very installer friendly. No special tools required to cut or install it, no special training. One person can hold a board at a time to bring it up to the house and put it on. You don't need 2 people to carry it because of how lightweight and durable it is. It's got some flex to it, but it won't bend and break on you. So installers really do love it. It's not really a pro for any of the homeowners out there, but just something to keep in mind for why installers love using it is just so lightweight and durable. And no special training needed. You can just cut a board with a normal saw. You can put it up on the house without any special training required. So that is another big pro, but mainly for contractors and installers. Those are pretty much the main pros with LP siding, is that it is lightweight but extremely strong and durable. It's chemically treated, it's chemically infused, so it is an engineered wood, stands up and holds up to the elements much better than traditional wood, and it's easy for installers to install, so that's another pro for contractors out there as well. So a lot of good pros to LP when it comes to durability and strength and that sort of thing. But now let's get into some of the cons. One of the first cons I think homeowners should be aware of when considering LP siding is that LP doesn't warranty the coat of paint on any of the boards. They actually hire out their painting to a third-party company to do all the paint jobs for them, so there is no warranty that comes with that outer coat of paint. The second con I think homeowners should be aware of is another substandard warranty. When it comes to the actual product itself, it may look good on paper, but really if you dig deep into the warranty, there are some red flags and some issues with it. The main warranty on their product is a 5 to 50 year limited warranty. So the first 5 years they warranty the product fully, but every year after that they prorate the warranty, so they don't really truly stand 100% behind the product after the 5th year. And another small note within their product warranty that you should be aware of is that they don't warranty at all in certain states depending on how much rainfall they receive per year. So right there kind of is a red flag on how well can this wood product really withstand and hold up to heavy rainfall or water, the elements and that sort of thing. I know it is highly durable in a lot of states, but they don't warranty their product at all in certain states that do receive that heavy rainfall. So that's just something to keep in mind depending on which state you live in. This next con is more for the installers or the contractors who will be installing the LP siding on the exterior of a home, and it's a precautionary warning or a precautionary statement that is very similar to the fiber cement siding out there as well. So very similar with the LP and the fiber cement, where they warn not to breathe in any dust particles, to wear a mask. It can cause rashes and irritation. If you breathe it in, it's harmful to the lungs and can cause cancer over years and years of breathing it in. So the product really should be cut outdoors to allow for proper ventilation and airflow. Wear a mask and all that protective gear that you'd see in the other premium siding products as well. Like I said earlier, this product is engineered wood, so it's chemically infused. It's infused with chemicals. So you need to be aware of that. At least the installers or the contractor needs to be aware of that, and to take it seriously when they're installing the product on a home. Once it's up, the product is fantastic, but as you are installing it and dust is flying all over, you need to take those precautionary measurements to make sure that everyone is healthy and safe while they're doing the installation work. Another thing that might be kind of a con to some homeowners is the amount of preventative maintenance that LP recommends and suggests to homeowners that they keep up on, otherwise their warranty is null and void. Up here on the screen, you'll see a list of some of the preventative maintenance items that LP does require of its homeowners to maintain that warranty. The first bullet point here: fill dents and gouges regularly with specific sealant and paint. You really want to make sure that the gouges are filled. If the gouges are too deep, obviously it's getting into more of the OSB, the oriented strand board product, and it is not at that point sealed off from the elements. You want to make sure that lawn sprinklers do not spray directly onto the LP trim or siding for extended periods of time. Again, that's another con for LP, that they say, it is a durable product, but really not under heavy rainfall or when it's hit directly by other forms of water for extended periods of time. They say that the homeowner must repaint the siding before the existing paint fails, and again, they don't warranty that paint on the outer surface at all, so that's something to be aware of as well, but they must repaint the siding before it fails, otherwise the warranty is then voided out as well. Termite damage is excluded from the warranty, so even though they put like the borate in the board and they chemically infuse it and they say that that'll keep bugs away, it can still be susceptible to termite damage. And the last item on the list here in the cons is that they don't warranty against hail damage, which is kind of interesting to me because the product is very durable, so why not stand behind that in your warranty? I don't know why they don't believe in their product enough to back that in their warranty, but it's something they should definitely stand behind given how strong and durable this product really is. So all in all, what is my opinion of the LP SmartSide siding? It looks great. It has that traditional wood look. If that's the look you're going for, you really can't go anywhere else. It's extremely strong and durable. It's an engineered wood, chemically treated, will hold up to the elements as long as it's installed on a home in the correct environment. If installed on a home that fits within the environment that this is suitable for, this siding can really last a long, long time. And they do have some great color options for paint as well. And yeah, they don't back the paint in their warranty at all, but from what we've seen, the paint holds up very well. It's very durable. The siding color options look great on the home. It really adds to curb appeal and can add some value to the home as well. But if you're a homeowner who's concerned with woodpeckers getting at it, or in heavily wooded areas, or areas of the country that get heavy rainfall year round, then this product probably isn't best for you. But like I said, there are homes in many different regions around the country that this product would be perfect for. Really do some research on that and make a decision that would work best for your home and which area your home is located, which region your home is located, and that sort of thing. And if your home is located in one of those areas that this product would be suitable for, LP SmartSide would be a great option for you. So until next time, you all have a great day.